First problem, if box of BCD plus box of CAD plus box of ABD is equals to box of ABC, then show that the points with position vectors A, B, C, D are coplanar. So we have to show that either we show this condition or else we can show this condition. So let us start from the given vectors. So they said that A, B, C and D are the position vectors. So we will start, let O be the origin. So here O is the origin, and next we can write the position vectors, then position vectors are OA is equals to A, OB is equals to B, OC is equals to C, and OD is equals to D. For finding AB, we get OB minus OA is equals to OB is B minus A. So this is AB. Next is BC. We will find out AC is equals to OC minus OA. So this is C minus A. Next is AD. AD. So it is OD minus OA. So D minus A. So if we consider the vectors are coplanar, then given vectors A, B, C and D are coplanar. So these vectors are coplanar. That means box product of AB, AC and AD is equals to 0. We can write this AB as B minus A, C minus A and D minus A is equals to 0. Now this can be written as B minus A cross C minus A dot D minus A. Since they are coplanar, that's why the box product of this is 0 and the value of AB is B minus A, AC is C minus A, AD is D minus A. Here we can write B minus A dot C minus A cross D minus A. Otherwise we can write B minus A cross C minus A dot D minus A. Next, we will find out the cross product of this B cross C minus B cross A minus into plus is minus A cross C minus into minus plus A cross A cross A dot D minus A. Here it will be 0. Vector cross product of a vector to itself is 0. We can write B minus C, B cross C minus B cross A minus A cross C dot D minus A. Now we will write the dot product with D. So B cross C dot D minus B cross A dot D minus A cross C dot D, next minus A. So we can write minus B cross C dot A. Next is B cross A minus B cross, minus into minus is plus, B cross A dot A. Next is A cross C, minus into minus plus, A cross C dot A. Next, here we can write this as box product of B, C, D. Here, next is B, A, D. So here it is A, B, D. So when we interchange this, when we write this A cross B, so we get minus. So minus into minus is plus, A cross B dot D. Next is A, C, D. So if we write C cross A, we get C cross A, we get minus into minus plus. So C cross A dot D. Next is B, C, B cross C dot A. So we will write this as it is. So minus B cross C dot A plus. Here the vector after cross product of B cross A will be perpendicular to the vector B, as well as it will be perpendicular to A. So this vector, if the dot product of this vector with A or either B will be 0. Why? Because this vector will be perpendicular to A. Here also the same, the cross product of AC dot product with A will be 0. Okay, why? Because these two vectors will be perpendicular. So we will get 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Next, BCD, box product of BCD. Next is CAD. So let us write it here, CAD. Next is ABD. So plus ABD is equals to. Now we will send this minus B cross CA dot A to that side. So we get B cross C dot A. So as we have interchanged in cross product like C cross A for A cross C, so we have got minus, but it will not same in dot product. If we are having B cross C dot A, B dot A, that can be written as A dot B. So here we can write, A dot B cross C. So this will be box product of A, B, C. So this is our solution. This is what we require.